And that's what I'm here to teach you all today. We're all a little bit gay, or a lot gay, and that's okay. That's okay. Do you hear what I have to say? Okay. It's okay to be a little bit gay. Hey, hey, hey. A little bit gay. Hey. Okay. Or a lot gay. Now help me open up the portal. The portal. Help me open up the portal.
I'm joking, it's not my dad.
You're chosen! He's chosen!
I do kind of want to make it.
Open up the portal in the circle! Let's do it!
This is nuts, dude.
Opening up the portal! He's opening up the portal! The portal being opened! Can't you see? Can't you see? The portal! Look at him go! The portal! Open! Thank you! Donations are always acceptable! Your head's always acceptable!